Sometimes we only have one textbook available to us in our classroom, but if you come to a place like the library at Newwood in Levanger, you have access to all kinds of other textbooks. Like here, I'll show you some. We have stairs, and we have steps, ones that we're very familiar with. But then we also have this new series called Quest, and a series you might have heard of called Doors. And all of these have poems and stories and nonfiction texts and grammar, lots of things that you can do. And there's nothing that says you can't pick and choose from different textbooks, even if that's not the one you have in your school. This one, for example, Doors, has some very easy poems, like this one. Snow, snow all around, in the air and on the ground. Make a snowball right away, the snow may only last the day. I wonder what would happen if a school class, maybe a first grade class, took this poem and acted it out. Maybe a first grade class from Rørvik School.